The Su-35-5 is a multi-target fighter, one of the best in the world and the main among the guardians of the sky. In a special military operation, he can hit any ground target even without entering the defeat zone of his opponent, and also air combat. Patrolling this machine is subject to any tasks, and today we will tell you who and how collects this legendary aircraft. Komsomolsk-on-Amur Aviation Plant, named after Yuri Gagarin. It is here that our main character, the Su-35T fighter, was born. Our journey through the plant begins with the assembly unit. The name itself suggests that recognizable units of the future aircraft are being created here. Here, for example, is the keel collection area.
Kill-Perteka aircraft plumage. Simply put, the tail, fuselage and winged nose are connected into one whole at the final stage of assembly.
You are the head of the assembly production unit, that is, you have several subordinates.
That's right.
How many people do you have under your command?
Well, just under 1,000.
Workshop 6.
The final assembly of the aircraft is also Andrei Popov's area of responsibility. At first, Moscow became more responsible. The plant operates around the clock.
The Su-35 fighter already acquires such familiar, understandable outlines. For many will be a discovery that almost everything, this is this space.
We work on fuel tanks.
And in Prile, we will also have Prile.
Additionally, the fuel tanks and the intricate system that oversees this fuel need attention.
Complex fireworks assembly.
Yes, of course, the aircraft is difficult to assemble, but we have high-level specialists from different communication brothers. Those who assemble work here, these live here, those who assemble the pipeline, those who assemble the fuselage, and those who assemble the wing. We finally, where it is all assembled in the final assembly workshop, where it already acquires the face of a real aircraft.
Where did you start? There is work at the factory?
I was getting started.
Work.
At the factory with students.
Why did you choose this profession?
Primarily, my parents dedicated their efforts toward me. Similarly, enterprises contributed to support as well.
I'm Donna.
I pursued education in a technical school specializing in aviation and aircraft engineering, followed by in-depth training programs.
He entered the institute and
He says how his tomorrow went from working with people, working with documentation.
Barely or not. All these aircraft will be participants in the special operation for their lives and condition. Specialists constantly monitor us. They regularly travel to SO zones.
We have special services that work directly in the takeoff crew, and all the comments that the pilots make are immediately worked out, immediately implemented in the machines, implemented there in the operating units for subsequent ones. That is, we have the improvement of the machine. Well, basically,
happens daily.
That is, the Su-35, which was before the special military operation, and the Su-35, which you are now producing, are still two different cars.
yes, it can also be noted that these different changes are made in modern war conditions. Today, this radio navigation equipment and enemy tracking equipment are new.
Moments.
Which are being implemented today for our product 135.
So the fuselage is assembled at this stage. The aircraft acquires a circulatory system, harnesses and a pipeline for delivering fuel. They are also made here in the factory.
You work in the rear, what about its conditions?
If our frontiers are being defended on the front line, then here we must create in our rear those products that are precisely needed there to protect our country for defense.
As the fuselage assembly concludes, we proceed to the naming phase. Yes, one rain dose is the designation.
Stage 1. Main fuselage watering is underway. At the rain stand, the activated polyp initiates rigorous watering that simulates real conditions. Natural conditions.
And how long will you be like this?
Whether the rain cycle is 60 minutes.
All All this time, the plane takes 1,000 liters of water. The nozzles are mounted so that the car is filled to the maximum, and a separate rain section is generally directed at the nose.
Currently we are spilling and we need to determine if the inside remains completely dry.
After 60 minutes, we turn off the installation, completely begin to separate the fuselage of the aircraft, hide it, look, special paper is placed there, and for the presence of moisture, we inspect all areas. The machine must be completely sealed. The presence of moisture is not allowed at all. Area above the fuselage. Each produced aircraft is accepted by the Bureau of Technical Control and Military Reception.
Alexander Drachev, deputy head of the final assembly workshop with his area of expertise. And also, the youngest representative of the dynasty of KnAAZ employees is his general.
Length of service?
500 plus years. 18 people from the dynasty of aircraft manufacturers.
Now we will show you one unusual person from the engineering staff. Subordinate Alexander Yuryevich. Alexander Yuryevich, come in. This is the mother, Elena Arkadyevna. A privilege to greet you. Yes, he is yours.
Chief.
Indeed, strict, precise, adhering to high standards.
But fair.
Yes.
I want to introduce you to our dynasty. This is daughter Konstantin Yakovlevich, known for being the granddaughter of grandfather Alexander's own grandfather. This is Zaitsev Arkady Naumovich II, grandfather.
We are especially grandfather.
Your father and both grandfathers worked here in the 7th workshop.
My grandfather worked too.
Worked too.
Workshop during the war.
During the war, yes, during the war.
When did you assemble the plane?
Kilkato.
A lot.
Hundreds.
Neither did.
This one was also appointed.
Every single day, meticulously at 1500 or 1600, the plane was counted, yet it never left the factory. They spent the night. The main thing was for the front, for victory, for the motherland.
In the span of nearly a year of war, the plant managed to produce almost 400 Ilyushin bombers and fighters. During the harsh winters, temperatures plummeted to a record-breaking -50, causing people to freeze their hands and feet.
Please remain next to that side, positioned well. Avoid standing in an improper stance like this. What specific year was this photograph captured?
It might have been taken during the 94th anniversary commemoration.
The factory is here now. Chief, the plane is here.
Su-35 is still being made. Su-57 in this,
KnAAZ.
the main aircraft of the war.
50 years of the Korean conflict. The extensively produced MiG-15 marked a turning point in aircraft development. Two notable figures played key roles in its creation, causing significant concern among Americans and pushing them toward advanced developments. At the end of this war, they understood that their aircraft were very inferior to KnAAZ.
My sister Elena Arkadyevna Dracheva, a technical engineer of Category 1, also worked for us. Its task is to process drawings, prepare tasks for production, describe the technology of the aircraft assembly process for workers. The upcoming stage is the final assembly workshop, a critical phase where the aircraft finally receives its heart, two powerful engines installed with precision.
We all know what a machine shop looks like.
Kalashnikov is
Shop 4.
Su-35 rounds.
E-boxes, the cartridge box.
Well, we're now going to see one of the most important operations in aircraft assembly. The final assembly workshop is the left engine rolling. We have already rolled it up.
Now it will be sunset to the right engine.
The guys are some of the most experienced specialists in our shop. Repeatedly perform operations in the shop at base points and on various business trips. Also in CV about that.
This is one of the most complex operations.
The most complex, the most responsible, the most jewelry operations in aircraft manufacturing.
Vesvo. Now your guys. They also change engines from time to time. This is conditionally your responsibility.
Sometimes he also participates.
Replace the engines in the fields.
On Su-35. How long can it take?
A day and a half.
A day and a half. A new engine and they flew.
Like a sim.
Cool.
Rolling just sounds like it. It's just that in reality you need to move the most complex device by 1.5 tons so that all its parts fall into the right places. However, there is such precision at the factory in everything, including installing a catapult seat in an aircraft.
One of the most important elements of a pilot's life. Guys of the 6th category work. This is the highest category. Errors are excluded here.
At this moment, the trajectory is clearly visible for observation. If the chair works, it comes out.
For aircraft manufacturing, we consider millimeters, but here we go down to mere hundreds of millimeters. Everything prioritizes maximum reliability.
The main armament of the Su-35, guided and unguided missiles, and now also adjusted aerial bombs. All these aircraft will be armed before departure when it gets into the army, and now at the factory the fighter receives a melee weapon, an aviation cannon.
One of the experienced installers is finishing the installation of the Gresha 30. Everything has already been finally exposed along the gaps in this design. Tushko will go to the flight test station. Well, there will be the final shooting.
All countries are asking the question. The creators of fighters in different countries of the world, put it or not put it. Why are there rockets now?
However, our pilots firmly affirm the necessity, emphasizing that close combat remains a real possibility and cannot be disregarded.
And she's from here. Migrated to Fighter Fight.
Generations 5.
Generation.
Now, after the aircraft is assembled, the test begins. They pass on the territory. LISA stands for Flight Test Station. In fact, it's all much more. Huge areas behind me, practically to the horizon. It's all Liz. Now we must introduce you to the lead radio engineer, navigation. Equipment, Vladimir Kozhevnikov. Vladimir, so what should pass from the plane? What tests did he have before he joined the army?
The aircraft must pass through the full technological cycle of the flight test station,
Which include a mandatory check of the onboard radio electronic equipment for compliance with technical specifications. Once conduct engine tests at the engine test station. Check the fuel system 3, the gun 4 must be fired and pass.
presentation techniques acceptance tests.
Today, of course, it is degrees cold in Komsomolsk-on-Amur. What time are you 30 today?
5 degrees 30.
5 degrees, so we put on hoods, remove the warm part of the face. This is exactly the form in which the journalist arrives the plane. They are not painted yet, right?
Yes, it is true that the hydraulic pneumatic system is being tested. The exhaust system and fraction cleaners are being checked. When checking at a slow pace, fences are checked that must be within a certain tolerance.
That is to say, the sound of the airplane as it warms up.
Very hot.
As the body heats up and expands, we need to confirm this carefully in such situations. Everything will be?
It's okay, Kostya.
Such a boy is truly delightful to observe, and yet the iron operates just as it does now.
It functions, of course. Tiziano's presence came in later stages. Gena, you are employed at an engineering center and the work primarily involved analyzing databases on a computer. The task wasn't engaging for me personally, so someone else transferred it to a sheet. Since 2010, you've been working with wire setups, fostering excellent communication among people in our large territory with one of the highest populations.
Vladimir Kozhevnikov, a senior engineer specializing in radio navigation and radar equipment, holds a degree from Siberian State SOS. In this workplace, 2 university degrees have become the standard for excellence. The majority of employees here are highly educated professionals.
Vladimir and his wife also graduated from the university in the same specialty.
That's right.
We studied together in the same course, and she currently helps care for my children at my place, playing an important role.
6.
Your kids, right?
Junior.
The youngest is 2 years old, the oldest is 14.
Years ahead, will you consider accompanying him? Then work? This way from us.
The older child's keen interest lies in aviation. It captivates them profoundly. work for us, and dad is an aviator, you are an aviator, grandfather is an aviator, brother is an aviator, his wife also works at the factory.
You have your own big dynasty too, don't you?
Odin began with my father, who came in the year 2002-1000. Our factory, when I was still a schoolboy, I worked on the territory of the factory. Now I realize that I like it.
During the armed conflict in Syria, Vladimir worked for 6 months at the KnAAZ air base, for which he received the gratitude of the president and the status of a combat veteran.
The next stage involves inspecting fuel rods, followed by moving to her specific workplace. It's not hard to envision the Su-35 fighter dynamically soaring through the skies.
Fuel up.
In addition to the fuel rod, filling stations check the fuel system itself. The electronics are fired by the cannon and then sent for flight tests.
This aircraft has already been marked, painted and prepared to continue flying.
Finally, the painted and tested aircraft leaves the workshop and goes to the airfield. There, the car is being prepared for the first flight in its life, and the test pilot personally inspects the brand new fighter.
The sun's examination takes place on Earth itself, as if the Earth is taking an essential examination.
Why, Humi?
We'll go the other way around together with...
Other aircraft belong to the Court family, but plant employees.
Named after Gagarin.
Continuing his legacy within the home front, his efforts ensured that pilots stationed in the critical CV zone would receive operational O in the earliest possible time frame.
These are the new planes.